Okay guys, so this is a tutorial on how to do Neosonic. This is how it looks like, and basically you put your pen like this, and then you kind of like do like this motion where you bend over your index finger, and it basically goes over your index finger, right? And you catch it with your thumb like this, right? So it looks like this, something like this. Maybe I can show it from this. Basically, it just goes over, and you have to catch it. That's pretty much it. You can maybe like try doing something like this. Maybe it's easier for you to do it if you can do like a charge. Maybe it might give you some momentum. Not entirely sure, but yeah, a pretty cool trick. I like the trick a lot. I recommend you guys learn it. But that's about it.